Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not Basecamp is available offline. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm glad to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Basecamp? Before we get into the details of whether or not Basecamp is available offline, let's first talk about what Basecamp is. Basecamp is a project management and collaboration software that helps teams stay organized and on track. It has a variety of features, including tasks, to-do lists, events, discussions, and files. Why would you want to use Basecamp offline? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use Basecamp offline. For example, you might be working on a project in a remote location where you don't have internet access. Or you might be working on a project that requires you to be offline for long periods of time. Is Basecamp available offline? The good news is that Basecamp is available offline. This means that you can still use the software to manage your projects even if you're not connected to the internet. How to use Basecamp offline? There are two ways to use Basecamp offline. Install the Basecamp desktop app. The Basecamp desktop app allows you to access your projects offline. You can download the app from the Basecamp website. Use the Basecamp mobile app. The Basecamp mobile app allows you to access your projects offline on your phone or tablet. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. What features are available offline? Most of the features that are available in the online version of Basecamp are also available offline. This includes tasks, to-do lists, events, discussions, and files. How to sync your offline data with the cloud. When you go back online, your offline data will be synced with the cloud. This means that you won't lose any of your work. Limitations of using Basecamp offline. There are a few limitations to using Basecamp offline. For example, you won't be able to create new projects or users. You also won't be able to access any features that require real-time data, such as chat or video conferencing. Overall, Basecamp is a great option for people who need to manage projects offline. It's easy to use and has a variety of features. If you're looking for a project management, I hope this video has helped you answer the question, is Basecamp available offline? If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about Basecamp and other project management tools. If you're interested in learning more about Basecamp, you can click on the link below to sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.